Hey guys, right here at AOCleaning. I'm with my client that found me online. I'm in Shiloh, Illinois, believe it or not. And we are with the client that found me. She saw my reviews, my testimonials, guys, and there's no brainer. She booked on the spot. And we took care of her carpet today. She's got a total of 8 areas, and we're about halfway through. And she's so excited, guys, because she's selling her home. And she wanted to speak to her overall experience with our company. Without further ado, Sheila, take it away.
So yeah, we are selling our house. We called yesterday and he was here today. We think one of the limiting factors in getting our house sold was the carpet. Oh, it was gross. Like he said, he's halfway through and I am absolutely amazed. There were some stains and just icky spots on this carpet. I'm looking at this now and it's like a new carpet. Yeah, we call the right people.
We appreciate that. So thank you so much for that feedback and that testimonial. And I hope that you sell your home fast. And again, thank you for the opportunity to serve you.
This house is for sale. Come and buy it.
Fingers crossed, guys. Shiloh, Illinois. Check her out. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.